Hello children, today we are going to see what are the sounds of animals are called as. So let's start. Lion, roar. Dog, woof, bark and howl. Bird, chirp, whistles and melodious calls. Cat, meows, purrs and growls. Frog, croaks and rabbits. Dolphin, clicks, whistles and sonar. Bees, buzzes and vibrations. Elephants, trumpets and rumbles. Whales, songs of the deep. Insects, stridulations and raspings. Snakes, hisses and rattles. Bats, echolocation and ultrasound screech. Monkeys, chatters and calls. Ant, cry. Cheetah, bleat. Cockroach, hiss. Bear, roar, growl. Crab, chirp. Crow, caw caw. Buffalo, drone. Deer, buck. Eagle, screech. Camel, grunt. Goat, bleat. Gorilla, grunt. Cow, moo. Hen, cackle. Hyena, laugh. Llama, laugh. Donkey, hee-haw. Sheep, baa. Pig, snort and oink. Mouse, squeak. Fish, splosh. Tiger, roar and growl. Fox, yelp. Zebra, whistle. Bull, boom. Crocodile, bellow. Penguin, honk. Kangaroo, chatter. Horse, neigh. If you like the video, then press like, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.